G'day guys. It's been a while, huh? I've been having some mechanical issues, let's call it, with my Lambo, so it's off the road at the moment. So I'm in the Porsche. I'm just heading to greet my friends at a little car event with the Nth Degree Car Club at a place called the Car Vault. I haven't been there before, so we'll find out what's there. And then they're heading to Jebel Jais after that, which is up the mountains out here in the UAE. And then lunch, and then home. I'm probably not going to do the last bit because I've got other stuff to do today. I've got to check on my car. I've got some parts I need to source, so I need to be on that because I want it back on the road ASAP. So anyway, just pulling up in a minute. I'll show you around when we get there. So we've got a few people rolling up for the event today. Let's look at the cars. That's my friend Damon's Huracan. Look at that color. Only one in Dubai. This color. Gorgeous. Nice Corvette. GTRs. I want to show you this in a minute, this one. Maserati. There's the 458. 720 McLaren. Very cool. Porsche, the GTR, Porsches, there's Danny's GTR, color shift, down the McLaren, R8. Let's show you what I really like. That looks like a DB11 Aston Martin. Mr. Bond, please. Guys, so I'm here at the Car Vault. It's a pretty nice selection of nice classic cars and new cars, all high-end of course. I walk in the door and the first thing I see is my old Ferrari. Nice. 575 Maranello, 430s, BMWs. So California is a 458, Porsches, Ferraris, McLarens, a couple of crack classics. Nice Porsche. 458s. It's a Porsche Turbo. GT3, California. It's the guys. Hi guys, it's Danny, that's the boss. Look at this thing. I don't even know what that is. But it's pretty awesome. Oh, hang on a minute. Look what I've spotted back here. Oh, Ferrari Testarossa. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous little development from the 90s. Let's continue the walk around. Some old Mercedes. There's a Viper. That's pretty cool. Maserati? A little bit, yeah. Nice Maserati. And look at this. That looks like an AC Cobra. Yeah. 350 Chevy Cobra. Nice. Hello. Oh, look at this. It's another Cobra. Nice Porsche. That's a turbo in the orange one. This is an RS4. Bentleys and a roller. Nice. Just keeps going on. Oh, there's another room. Let me check that. So I walked through the door of the back room of the car vault. Back room. Look what I found. W Motors. Just sitting out here in the back. I've never actually seen one of these up front, but they're crazy. Look at these vents. Look at these vents here. Look at that sculpting in the back there, how that cuts in. Of course, we have the logo. They use these in the Fast and Furious movie, but I tell you now, this is not the most exciting thing here. Check this out. This is another W Motors. This was the one that was actually used in the Fast and Furious 7 movie. They use this one in the filming of the movie. You know, the jump you see, I don't want to spoil it, but it flies from building to building, and not what you would expect. This one's a little bit of a different spec. They actually had about 6 of these. 2 I think original, and then 2 were gutted out for stunts. So no interior, nothing that they could break. Save on cost as well. You can see there's lots of stuff missing out of here. There's no airbag, there's no stereo, the center's missing, dash is gone. That's what you get when you're in the movies. Okay, here we are, we're all heading off. Lots of loud, lots of hoping for some revs. Let's check it out. Austin. go. Hope you like that. Let me know if you like it. Stuff like this just makes me want to get my car back on the road. So hopefully in a few weeks it'll be good to go and we'll do some more videos. In the meantime, like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Just let's communicate. See you guys.